Hi, I'm Scott, the Director of Education at Way, and I'm going to show you how to refresh your style midday. This is our super dry shampoo. The first thing that you'll notice that's a little different about this can is how the nozzle has a direction spring upwards. So when I shoot it, you'll notice that it'll create extra volume at the root. When you apply the product, you want to spray it into sections where you're the oiliest. So right at the root, you want to take sections and apply it about a can length away. And now you might notice that there is a little white powder. It's rice starch and volcanic minerals. As soon as you start to massage, it will completely disappear. You won't see any trace of the white residue. Now some people get a little bit oilier behind the ear, so be sure to apply there. They also get oily at the nape of the neck, right at the crown. So definitely make sure to apply at the crown. Now I'm taking sections here, and as soon as I start to blend my fingers together, it will marry the product along so that you can really absorb all of the dirt and oil. Now you want to massage it into your hair just like you're shampooing your hair. And this will make sure to eliminate any sort of white trace. Another good tip to create extra volume is when you're at home in your own bathroom, is to actually flip your head over and to continue to massage. That will encourage the follicle to actually stand up. So you can see I'm really just massaging this product all the way into her hair. Now that the product is all the way in, you can start to look for any residue or white powder, and you don't see any. So her hair is quite dark and there is no trace of any dry shampoo. When you're looking to create more volume, remember that the product is in your hair. So throughout the day, you can always refresh and re-encourage the style to add more volume. That's from the rice starch that will help to create that fullness. If you've happened to use a little bit too much of the super dry shampoo, you can always use a blow dryer to warm it up, which will eliminate any residue of the white powder. If you're midway through the day and you notice that your hair might be a little frizzy, you can use our Rose Hair and Body Oil. Now this has a little rose hip oil, which will allow you to add shine into your hair. So you want to take about one pump and then go ahead and massage it into your hands. Now when applying, you only want to use it from the ends up to about the eye level. Remember, anything that has shine, you don't want to use at the root area because you don't want it to make the hair appear greasy. So again, I'm going to apply it just on the ends and work my way up until about eye level. I'm going to do this all the way around the hair in sections. Whatever is residual on my hand is now going to end up into her hair. Now you can see it's going to add the shine and eliminate the flyaways and the frizz. You can gather the hair as well, massaging it all the way in, and then finishing this. This is a hair and body oil, which means that you can also apply it on your skin. Use it anytime you're feeling dry, use it on your skin after the shower, or on your skin to rehydrate. The Rose Hair and Body Oil scent is one of our favorites, and this is called Melrose Place. We have our Melrose Place fragrance, which you can apply to your body, at your neck, your décolleté, at your pulse points. And this has notes of pink peppercorn, champagne, and rose. If you're a fan of how our Wave spray smells, then you'll love our North Bondi fragrance. This one smells like white musk, Italian lemon, and bergamot. Hope you've learned a trick or two. You can find these products at your local Sephora or online. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Sephora.